Masses of teenagers are joining an uprising to fight for democracy. I'm in the western Chin state of Myanmar, and here you can see next to me are young recruits of the Chin National Army, which is one of the ethnic forces that is fighting against the military junta here in Myanmar. 17-year-old Lalnun Pui loved dancing. In a handwritten note, she explained why she became a soldier. Myanmar is broken now. The soldiers of Burma are enemy for me because they have no mercy. She was captured by the military, tortured, raped, bludgeoned to death. Her 15-year-old brother Lal Ruat Moya was also killed.
Achang chuan ka fanu chan ama khan chang ve ila chuan ka thei ve lawang ka thi ke ni chau hi kan ni don lo na kina kan fal te thang le zel tura hianin mi puin zalen na hi kan ma mo em
19-year-old Thanda Lin had wanted to be a teacher.
Media show media show ma mui thai direction ne ho chat de what de solution a kong long tu ra tat de tat pi do ma tat de aim ma be tha ke de chama ro u le de solution ye sat sat pit tat khan na bo no.
Students, farmers, truck drivers, Myanmar's civilians swept up in a wave of revolution.